We have the most exciting topic I can think of currently, because I tend to think that every Sips of Sanity series is really good.
And you wouldn't be wrong.
Aw, thank you. I'm so excited for this one, and I'm just going to blurt it out and then tell everybody why I'm so excited. So we're going to be talking about Undermining for 5 shows. Undermining is so insidious. It is so damaging to our society, to our relationships, to one-on-one, our personal relationships, work environments, our friendships, political systems, what people do in their work environments, everywhere. Absolutely everywhere.
Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month on patreon.com/the Sarlos.